Hello everyone, this is Frank Estrada, and in this video we are talking all about traffic, okay? So stay tuned. Okay guys, so in this video we're going to be talking all about traffic, okay? What your main goal with traffic should be and what you should do once you do have all that traffic, okay? To ensure that you become a successful online marketer. Before I get into that, make sure to push on that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so y'all get notified whenever I make new videos for all of y'all, okay? So guys, when it comes to online marketing, everything starts with traffic, right? Everything starts with traffic. It all starts with you first having customers come through the door. If you were to have a brick and mortar store, like an actual building, where does your sales start? It starts by people coming in through your door, interacting with you, and then they evaluate for themselves if you have something that could be of value for them. So in this case, everything starts with traffic. But the main thing that you should do with that traffic is convert it from traffic that you're controlling or traffic that you don't own into traffic that you do own, okay? There's three different kinds of traffic. One is traffic that you own. Two is traffic that you don't own, and three is traffic that you control. The way that you control traffic is by doing ads, right? You make ads on Facebook, YouTube, or where have you, and that's how you're able to control some of that traffic that Facebook has or YouTube has, and it's able to come to your sites, your offers, and things that you're doing, okay? Traffic that you don't control is this traffic where the people, they find you somehow. Maybe somebody will be scrolling your Facebook feeds. You haven't made an ad, but they like what you're talking about, so they find you, and then they end up becoming a customer. Now, the traffic that you don't own and the traffic that you control, you want to convert that into traffic that you own. That is your first goal. A lot of people think like, I just want to make a sale. I just want to make a sale. I want to make a commission. You know, that should not be your first goal. The first thing that you want to do is take that traffic and turn it into traffic that you own, because that becomes an asset for you. As you grow your audience, you're going to have more people that you can put yourself in front of, and you can give your offers and give your teachings and your trainings. They get to know, like, and trust you. That's how you're able to put more offers in front of more people. And later on, yes, you do end up making commissions, but it's all about customer service first, okay? Which leads me to something else that I want to talk about in terms of traffic. A lot of online marketers do not make it. And in my opinion, the number one reason why they don't make it is because we are just so focused on making the sale. I need to make a sale. I need to make a sale. I need to make a sale. The thing that we should focus on is our customer success, okay? And how do we do that? By providing them support, by providing them trainings that they need, and providing them tools that's going to become assets for them in building up their online business. What so many marketers do, and affiliate marketers as well, is that they make a sale, they get happy, their smiles to the bank, and that's where the interaction stops. That is so wrong, because a lot of times you don't make a majority of your money in the front sale, you make it in the back end. In fact, there is something called the break-even cycle or the break-even funnel, where if you do spend money on ads, all you want to do is break even. You really don't care about making a profit. I know it sounds counterproductive, but you really don't care about making a profit in the beginning, because what you want to do is grow your audience. And if you can spend $20 to gain, you know, let's just say 100 people, right? And if only you made money on a couple of those people, but you made your $20 back, you made $0. That is a great funnel. That is going to be very profitable, because you have an audience now, and your audience keeps growing. And the more that it grows, The more offers you're going to be able to put out there to more people, hence be able to build up your own business. But like a lot of us, like 99% of people just focus on making the sale, making the sale, making the sale. The way that you flip the script and you become a successful marketer is because what you end up doing is, instead of focusing 99% on making the sale and 1% on doing the training, if you were to flip it and now you're doing 99% of your efforts based on training and support and only 1% on sales, you're going to become successful. Because if you're putting out quality products, quality trainings, if you're focused on your customer success, if you're focused on helping them, if you're focused on providing the tools and the resources and the online support that they need to be successful, if you sell them a product and they're getting success, or they're at least seeing that you're helping them become more and more successful, they will not leave you. So as you start building up more and more your reputation, all you're going to have to do is recommend certain products to people, and they're going to start buying. Why? Because they've become fans of you. They've learned that you do know what you're talking about. You are trying to help them. They are getting value from you because you're helping them become more successful online. It's kind of like when you first start dating somebody, you end up getting married, right? You end up getting married. It takes a while before you start building trust in other people, before you start seeing that this person adds value to my life. I don't want to be without this person. And so when somebody starts following you and they start gaining trust in you, like I said, it takes time. They're not going to want to leave you and try to go with somebody else, because you're already helping them, you're already providing value, and you're helping them get more success online. So flip that script, okay? Instead of 99% focused on sales and only 1% focused on the training, flip it, okay? Focus most of your efforts on providing them the support, the tools, and the training that they need. Be available for them and have a genuine interest in their success, okay? Because these people are ultimately looking at, how can you help me? That's what they're doing. And if they come across a marketer that has very little support, very little training, and is not there for them, disappears after the sale, guess who else is going to disappear? Your customer is, right? So going back to my two original points. One, you want to get traffic and immediately have it become traffic that you own. That way you have an asset, you start growing an audience, and you can put more offers in front of people. Don't worry about making initial sales, because that'll come later. And point number two, focus most of your efforts on the trainings, on the supports, being there for your customers, and the tools that they're going to need. If you focus most of your efforts on these trainings and supports for your customers, the sales will come later, okay? So guys, that's all it is I have for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something. If you did, smash that like button, okay? Give me a thumbs up, don't forget, and I will see you next time. All right, take care. Bye.